Violets, genus Viola, are a group of flowering plants known for their vibrant colors and delicate blooms. These plants have been used for centuries in various medicinal and culinary applications. With over 500 species, violets are found in diverse habitats across the globe. Growth habitat and type. Violets typically thrive in temperate regions, often found in woodlands, meadows, and along streams. They prefer moist, well-drained soils and can tolerate partial shade. Most species of violets are perennials, meaning they live for more than 2 years. However, some species can be annuals or biennials. Violets propagate through seeds and, in some cases, through rhizomes, which allow them to spread and form dense mats. Identification. Violets are characterized by their heart-shaped or rounded leaves and asymmetrical flowers. The flowers, which bloom in spring and early summer, come in shades of purple, blue, white, and yellow. Each flower has 5 petals with one larger petal, the lip, at the bottom, and 2 pairs of smaller petals above. The leaves are typically basal, meaning they grow from the base of the plant, and the stems can be either short or long, depending on the species. Look-alike plants. Several plants can be mistaken for violets, including certain species of viola that are less commonly known. Another look-alike is the lamium, dead nettle, which has similar heart-shaped leaves but can be distinguished by its square stems and different flower structure. To avoid confusion, it is crucial to observe the unique flower and leaf arrangement of true violets. Edible parts and uses. Violets are entirely edible, with both the flowers and leaves being used in various culinary applications. The flowers can be used to decorate salads, desserts, and beverages, adding a splash of color and a mild, sweet flavor. The leaves, which are rich in vitamins A and C, can be eaten raw in salads or cooked like spinach. Violets can also be used to make syrups, jellies, and teas. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend consulting with a healthcare professional that is well-versed in complementary herbal medicine before trying anything new. Violets have a long history of use in traditional medicine. The entire plant, including the flowers, leaves, and roots, contains medicinal properties. Sore throats and colds. Violet tea can soothe sore throats and alleviate symptoms of colds, sinus infections, and respiratory conditions. The anti-inflammatory properties of violets help relieve sinus congestion and other respiratory issues. Whooping cough and dry hacking cough. Violets act as an expectorant, helping to clear mucus from the respiratory tract. Anti-inflammatory and arthritis. Violet leaves can be used topically or in teas to reduce inflammation and joint pain associated with arthritis. Minor scrapes and bruises. A poultice made from violet leaves can be applied to minor scrapes and bruises to promote healing. Mild laxative. Violet leaves have a mild laxative effect, helping to regulate bowel movements. Lowers cholesterol and blood thinner. Consuming violets can help lower cholesterol levels and thin the blood, improving cardiovascular health. Hemorrhoids and varicose veins. The anti-inflammatory and astringent properties of violets make them effective in treating hemorrhoids and varicose veins. Skin conditions, abrasions, dermatitis, insect bites, and eczema. Violet-infused oils or creams can be used to treat various skin conditions, including abrasions, dermatitis, insect bites, and eczema. How to harvest. When harvesting violets, it is important to ensure that the plants are growing in an area free from pesticides and pollutants. The flowers and leaves can be harvested throughout the growing season, but it is best to collect them in the morning when they are at their freshest. To dry violets for later use, spread them out in a single layer on a screen or paper towel in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. Cautions. While violets are generally safe for consumption and medicinal use, some individuals may develop a rash upon contact with the plant. Additionally, consuming large doses of the roots or seeds can cause stomach upset, vomiting, and high blood pressure. It is crucial to be 100% sure of your identification before using violets medicinally or culinarily to avoid any adverse reactions. Violets are a versatile and beneficial plant with numerous culinary and medicinal applications. They are relatively easy to identify and harvest, making them an excellent addition to any herbalist's repertoire. However, as with any wild plant, proper identification and cautious use are essential to ensure safety and effectiveness. With their array of health benefits and delightful presence, violets are indeed a treasure of the natural world,